Home Remedies presents. If you open a watermelon and see this, here's what it means. Hi guys, good day to all my viewers. Hope you all are in good health. I am Rabia and in today's video, I will present you scientific and regulatory information on the subject. So I recommend to watch the video till the end to get full information, and without any more wait, let's start. Moreover, I have done a video on how to pick the best watermelon. If you didn't watch it, I will post the link in the description and add it in my community tab as well. Due to the disruptive weather patterns this past spring and early summer, the watermelon industry has been seeing a higher than normal incidence of the condition known as hollow heart. Although the internal cracking has no negative impact on the taste, quality or safety of the product, its immediate look on cutting may be astonishing for all of us. So guys, the science behind this strange looking watermelon may surprise you. At first glance, it looks like someone has taken a lot of time to carve a strangely intricate pattern on the inside of this watermelon. But what has actually happened to this watermelon is a natural condition called hollow heart. That's right. Look at this piece of fruit in the picture. Surprising, right? It literally looked exactly like that when it was cut open. This condition develops when there is poor pollination during the growth process that creates cracks inside of the watermelon. A researcher has explained the science behind hollow heart in detail, and it says, in the past, the cause for hollow heart was thought to be related to rapid growth of the fruit, where the rind expanded faster than the internal flesh, leading to separation of the three internal fruit compartments and an open area in between. Excess nitrogen and overwatering, along with favorable growing conditions, were implicated in higher incidence of hollow heart. Vast evidence proves that hollow heart is not directly related to nitrogen and water management, but is related to pollination and weather conditions during pollination. Plant hormones are thought to be important in this effect. Several researchers have found no increase in hollow heart with increases in nitrogen. It is thought that with inadequate pollination, there is reduced release of the plant hormone that controls the development of storage tissue, leading to hollow heart. I will end up this video with this, that although the appearance might be alarming, when the watermelon is first cut open, the affected fruit is still entirely safe to eat. So next time you are craving a watermelon for your summer picnic, don't be afraid if you see this crazy pattern on the inside. It's just science working its natural magic. Stay healthy. God bless you all. If you liked the video and found it informative and helpful, click the like button and subscribe to my channel for new videos daily. Don't forget to press the bell icon to be notified whenever I publish a new video. Share on your social networks to help others benefit from it too. Thank you for watching. Goodbye.